The central government has released the latest guidelines that COVID-19 patients must follow while isolating at home. It advised symptomatic patients to isolate in a well-ventilated room, take rest and monitor oxygen saturation and body temperature. Recommended treatments include paracetamol, cough syrup if needed, and steam inhalation. Use of remdesivir and budesonide nebulizer are not advised at home. The Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) on Sunday said that the third dose of Covaxin holds a promise. This comes as India today began administering precautionary doses of COVID-19 vaccines to frontline workers, health workers, and those above 60 years of age with comorbidities. There is no requirement for new registration for the beneficiaries of precautionary vaccine dose. India's Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today said he has tested positive for COVID-19 and is currently in home isolation. In a tweet, Singh said he is exhibiting mild symptoms and requested those who have recently come into contact with him to quarantine themselves and undergo COVID-19 test. The 70-year-old had taken his first COVID vaccine dose in March 2021. India Meteorological Department (IMD) issued rainfall warning for 16 states over next 4 days. The states include Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim, Odisha, Jharkhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. Cold wave conditions in isolated pockets very likely over Rajasthan from January 11 to 14, India Meteorological Department added. Myanmar's Aung San Suu Kyi was sentenced to another 4 years in prison after a court found her guilty for illegally importing and possessing unlicensed walkie-talkies and breaking COVID restrictions during her election campaign in 2020. Junta spokesperson said Suu Kyi was convicted last month on 2 other charges and given a 4-year prison sentence, which was later halved. Pope Francis on Sunday called for dialogue to end the unrest in Kazakhstan. The Pope prayed for the families of the victims and hoped that harmony will be restored through dialogue, justice, and common good. As per reports, 164 people, including 2 children, were killed in the anti-government demonstrations over the last 2 weeks in Kazakhstan. Novak Djokovic won the court case against deportation from Australia after his visa was cancelled on arrival in Melbourne. The court ordered Djokovic be immediately released from detention and his passport and all other personal effects be returned to him. Djokovic arrived in Australia saying he had COVID-19 vaccine exemption, but he was detained by Border Patrol.